Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand, and in this sequel tutorial we are going to see the full join. So let's get started. Yeah, the full join will be the union of left outer join and the right outer join. So what does it means? This means it will return all the record from the left table, the portion that I'm overing here right now. So it should return all record from the left table as well as all record from the right table, and the only matching data will have entry on either side, on left side or right side. Or if there is a record from the left table and which does not match with the right tables, which means there is an entry for left table only, and for the right side of the columns there will be null value. So before that, seeing the practicals, let's see the syntax. So syntax is again exactly same with the inner outer and left outer and right outer. So the only difference is instead of inner join, so there was a inner and join keyword is used. So here instead of that, here full join is used, and remaining thing are same as is. You can see that table 1 is a left table and table 2 is a right table, and selects keyword is used to project the information like the column that we wanted to print on the consoles. So that can be select here, and after the on keyword on the matching column from the table 1 and table 2 should be provided here for the match conditions. So let's see the practicals. So if you see the practicals, we are going to use again the customers table and orders table. So customer table contains three field: customer ID, name and city, and it has 7 rows. And in orders we have a bunch of records. So you can see that three field contain 14 records. So what we have seen in the left outer join, like we are looking, our base table is customer, like left table, consider that. And right, we are looking to the left table, that is the orders table. And in the right outer join we do it reverse way. The base table was orders and left table on which we are looking was a customer. So in the full join we are base table is left table as well as the right table. So that's why we retrieve data, all the data from the left table as well as the right table, and we get match data from the for the left table we get the match data from the right table if there is a match condition satisfied, otherwise there will be none, and the vice versa for the orders right hand side. So let's quickly demonstrate with the SQL queries. So I just using customer for my left table, and I'm giving a alias as a C, and this full join is a keyword, a syntax for the full join. And my right table will be orders, and I will provide the O as a alias, and my joining condition will be customer ID. Yes. So before that, I wanted to quickly provide all field name from both the table. So just put me the star here. That is sufficient. Yes. So let me fire this query. Yeah, you can see that there are 16 row is returned with the help of this full join query. And if we see here, record 1. So just let me fire this select query from the customer. So you can see that there are 7 record and customer ID is unique for this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So all of these record is present here. You can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is present here. Or if we just select the record from the order, so you can see that there are order ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till 14. So in the full outer join, when we fire this query, so we can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 all record is present there. So let's talk about this null. So this means the record a customer ID equal to 2, this is there in the left table. Our left table is a customer, so which means customer ID equal to 2 is present on the left side, but their corresponding order detail is not present on the orders table. That's why the right hand side of entry is null. Just let me fire this query. So there should not be a customer ID equal to 2 entries in the right table. Yeah, you can see that we have just, as there are very few records, so we can manually verify it. But whenever there is a bunch of records in a million or trillion, so we can verify data with the help of where clause, and will provide the condition where customer ID equal to 2. So you can see that there are no record. Similarly, we can verify that null entry on the left hand side. So you can see that uh, there are order ID 14 which has customer ID equal to 10, and it order a sanitizer. So we wanted to verify that this customer ID equal to 10 is not present in the customer table. That's why the entry is null. So just we can quickly cross verify it, where customer ID equal to 10. So this record should not be there in the customer table. Yes, so it's not there. So it define our purpose of Venn diagram that we have seen in a PPT. So it retrieve the records from the left table, and whenever there is a no match, like the uh, ID equal to 2 where we have seen, so here, so these are the left record, these are the only left record, so left record, and there is a no corresponding match for in the right hand side, hence the right hand side of the entry is null. And whenever there is a common match like this, the first record, so there are entry present on the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. Similarly, when there is a right data only, so you can see that this portion, I'm talking about this portion. So a customer ID equal to 10 on the orders table, where order ID equal to 14. So this record is not present in the left table. That's why the left hand side of this entry is null, and the record is already only present in the right hand side. So this is helpful when we wanted to do when we wanted to see like the record which is present in the right hand side only or left handed side only. So this condition is very helpful. So let's see that, where let's assume that we wanted to see the data for right hand side only. So this means when this condition is satisfied, so this is only satisfy, like we wanted to see only right data, so this satisfy when there is all null value present in the left table. So which means for left table, the customer mandatory field is a customer ID, so we'll fire the query like customer ID. So we'll use the alias name like c dot customer ID is null. Yes, so we can with the help of this query and this condition where customer dot condition ID equal is null, so this means this record is present in only right table, which is there in the orders table. This information is not present in the customer table. Similarly, when we wanted to verify the only record which are there in the left table, but those record is not there in the right table. So those we can also verify that whenever there is an entry of right table is null, like we can see in the row number 3 highlighted here. So that we can quickly verify. So just provide the orders alias. I'm using order alias, and here order id is a mandatory field, so we can just provide the condition order id is null. So with the help of this condition we can get the data of left table only. So these are the left entry data which is not there in the right hand side and which is not there in the common area. So these are the only present in the left table. So I hope guys you have understood the concept of full join, and you also got to know like when you wanted to retrieve a data for left hand side only or right hand side only, so what condition should be used. So I hope you have enjoying my video tutorial, and till then happy learning and stay safe, take care of yourself. That's it all for the this video tutorial. So bye bye guys.